Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a carousel reel on Instagram with music. So firstly you need to open the Instagram app on a device and next select this plus icon in the top left and you need to select this select icon, and after that you can select up to 20 photos and videos in a single carousel post. You can simply tap on the photos or the videos that you want to add, and after that you can select next in the top right. And over here, you can also edit your photos or videos if you like by applying filters or making adjustment. And over here, what you need to do is you need to select this audio. And from here, you can simply search for a song, or you can also preview any of the track here and select next in the bottom right. And what you need to do is you need to simply select next, follow the on-screen instruction and select share in the bottom. And that is it. That is how you can make a carousel post on Instagram with music. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.